Hello everyone, here is another tips and tricks of leathercraft series video. Today I want to show you a quick useful trick for pressing glued parts of your craft. For this purpose I'm using these binder clips. You can find in every office supply store in different sizes. But for use them for your craft, you need to upgrade. Without this little upgrade, it might leave marks on your leather project. For this upgrade, you need any scraps of leather. That's it for today. Hope this tip would be useful for you. If you are new at my channel, check my other leather crafting videos. And if you would like to make any of these card holders or wallets by yourself, check the links in the description for PDF templates. Also press the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And thanks for watching. See you next time.